Okay, I'm handheld here because this is kind of spur of the moment. I had thought I might make this an addendum to the iMac G4 upgrades, but I think I'm going to make it its own video. This mess you see here on the iMac G4 desktop is the result of plugging in that FireWire external drive that I use to make every possible OS, Mac OS installer that could run on a PowerPC. And as you see, it loads up fine on the desktop. However, it will not load up fine hitting the Option key when you boot up the machine. So I can't use it, for example, to install an OS on a blank SSD or hard drive. Anyhow, I've come to the point, I'm about to install a Tiger. So let's let System Preferences load up all of this nonsense. And we're going to pick this one, restart, and we'll see if it works. Hang in there, I'll let you know. Okay, the good news here. It booted up in seconds. And here we are in the Tiger installer. So I'm going to go through and ensure that this works. I think the problem is that I just put too many installers on this one drive. So I probably should get a couple of smaller SSDs, 60 gig at the max, and try it on one and just put 3 OSs on it. The 3 I use most frequently from newest to oldest are 10.5 Leopard, 10.4 Tiger, and Mac OS 9. So make one with those 3, which is the one I would use almost all the time, and make another one then with OS 8, 10.2 Jaguar, 10.3 Panther. If I ever really want or need to install 10.0 or 10.1, I've got those disks anyhow. But man, is this faster. I'll let you know if this actually ends up being a bootable version. Stay tuned. Wow, you may have just caught the end of the startup chime then. That installed Tiger in less than 8 minutes. Leopard done on the DVD took 45 to 50. Now, it is a heavy operating system, definitely, but still. So clearly, the FireWire installers are the way to go. To do this on the optical drive, to do it on, here we come, to do it on the USB 1.1, if you're able to finagle it to actually get it to boot on these machines. This is amazing. So yeah, these enclosures, I used the ones from OWC, MacSales.com, and here's the intro video and those wonderful Pro speakers. People debate, is the best of the intro videos Tiger or Leopard? Leopard was probably seen by more people because they used the same intro video for both Leopard and Snow Leopard. But No, they're both great. I really wish Apple would bring back the intro videos. Okay, so yeah, what I'm going to have to do here is get some much smaller SSDs, put them in enclosures, and make multiple FireWire drives. And I'm hopeful that maybe 3 OSs on a drive will do the trick. Because, good Lord, and this is FireWire 400, by the way. These enclosures can be either 800 or 400. They're built with 800. You can use an adapter cable to use them on 400. And I don't think I've installed a PowerPC Mac OS in that short a period of time, like ever. So yeah, this is recommended. I will put out a video about making those drives. But yeah, this is the end of this. It's going to be a short video, and I just wanted to touch bases with it. It is pretty incredible, and it's worth the time it takes to do, if in fact you do a lot with these older Mac systems and are frequently, as I am, installing clean versions of the operating system. Well, in any event, be good to other people, be good to yourselves. And you know, that advice that I give at the end of every video ultimately means just be a good person, and I am sure that you are. Take very good and careful care in these difficult times, and we'll be seeing you real soon.